In this training module, you will be taken through the operation of an ALP-45DP dual-mode locomotive. During this brief introduction, we will go through the critical driving controls, passenger operations, and switching the locomotive's power mode. To unlock the control desk, insert the reverser handle. The reverser sets the direction of travel and activates many of the train's systems. Let others know this locomotive is in operation by setting the headlights. The ditch lights are used to provide a greater range of sight from the cab. This helps the engineer to see more of the line ahead and any oncoming trains whilst driving at night. To allow this cab to control the brakes, set them to be cut in. To begin loading passengers, you will need to open the doors. It is time to depart. Close the passenger doors. For this introduction, you will be completing a full lap of the circuit and performing passenger operations once you arrive at the next stop before switching the locomotive's power mode. This train is now ready to go. Release the brakes and apply some power to get moving. On level grades, you can coast to maintain your speed, reducing energy consumption and stress on the motors. When coasting, always remain vigilant of the grade, as changes could cause the train to speed up or slow down. The ALP-45DP was originally designed and built by Bombardier in 2008, with Alstom taking over production in 2021. New Jersey Transit placed an order of 26 ALP-45DPs in 2008, with an additional 9 being ordered in 2010. An extra 37 ALP-45DPs have been ordered since 2019, with these units being designated as the ALP-45A. The ALP-45DP has a power output of up to 4,200 horsepower in diesel mode and 6,700 horsepower in electric mode, giving it a maximum top speed of 125 miles per hour. We are now approaching the station. Apply a small amount of brake force to come to a gentle stop. Nice work. Now that the train has stopped, we can open the passenger doors. Let's drive another lap, but this time in diesel mode. To change the locomotive from electric mode to diesel mode, first set the reverser to neutral while stationary. Hold the fault reset button for 6 seconds to start the diesel motors. A message displaying D mode requested, please confirm, should appear on the IDU.
Diesel mode requested. Press the fault reset.
Now press the fault reset button for another 3 seconds. The IDU will now display the message transition into D mode started.
Transition into diesel mode started.
The locomotive is now in diesel mode and ready to depart.
Diesel mode engaged.
To change the locomotive back to electric mode, first set the reverser to neutral while stationary. Now set the pantograph switch to pan up for 6 seconds until the IDU displays E-mode requested. Please confirm.
Electric mode requested.
Set the pantograph switch to normal before switching it back to pan up for 3 seconds. The IDU will now display the message, "Transition into E-mode started."
Transition into electric mode
Good work.
started.
That concludes all the basics of operating this locomotive.